You know, without degree you cannot become doctor.
Without knowledge you get degree.
Yeah, I can purchase degree from outside.
Purchase degree.
Yeah.
Government job is limited. No one can get a government job. It is a limited job.
I can open my own medical store. We don't need to.
That time.
Every year 25 lakh students are giving NEET exam just to gain the MBBS degree. Why? And many people buying that exam. Listen to me. Many people buying that exam. What is that?
I want to ask, if degree is that much important, then why country is running a knowledgeable person, not by a degree holder person?
Behind the Prime Minister, there is a IAS and IPS. They give instruction how you do or not do. And IAS and PCS become only based on the degree.
Listen.
You have degree of class 10th?
Yes, I have degree, but my degree are making knowledge, through of knowledge. Every person get different percent. Some people get 75, some people some people so.
There are few people, but still their energy is more than you guys. Come on. All right. That's enough, ladies and gentlemen. This topic is really interconnected. This topic is really controversial kind of for those people who are students, for those people who are unemployed, for those people who are suffering and going through job, guys. So dear trainees of batch E, I'm so happy to have you here. I'm so excited and I'm so honored to invite you all here in this auditorium today. Here I will be inviting one person from this team or maybe one person from this team. You are going to come here and just going to address people. You're going to share your opinion, and maybe from the public somebody will be asking question, and then you have to reply, no, you are wrong. If this person, a person who will be on the stage, if he is not able to share, if he is not able to answer, then he will go back actually. All right? So can I invite now? Yes, sir. Anju, come inside please. All right, the first person I would like to invite from this team or maybe this team. This team? Yes. Let's welcome Miss Ter. You want to listen energetic person or lazy person? Yes. Lethargic person? Energetic. Then let's welcome Shaima. Please come on the stage. You are energetic. Yeah, please come on the stage. So I'm so happy to call you on the stage. So Miss Shaima, how do you feel looking these beautiful and handsome people?
Feeling too much nervous.
Feeling nervous? Because of them or because of yourself?
Just like that.
Just like that. There's no reason, right?
Yeah.
So if there is no reason, then why do you feel hesitated and nervous? No problem, right? So what do you think? You can just prove them wrong?
Let's see what happens.
She is not able to talk, I think, today. And she's saying knowledge is important and she's not knowledgeable, I think so. I'm having firiki actually. Don't take serious, okay?
Okay.
All right. Share your opinion, address people, and they will be asking questions. The time is yours. Hurry up. The time is yours.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And I want to say that if you have knowledge, you can do anything, whatever you want in your life. Like if you want to do business or anything, so you can do. If you have knowledge, if you have skill, so you can do. And if you are degree holder and you have no knowledge, what will you do at that time? Like only degree is nothing. Like if you have only degree and don't have knowledge, it's nothing for you. And that's my point.
Question, please.
If I want to become doctor without degree, I can do the operation. I can inject the people. Yeah. I can't.
What are you
No
talking
one
about
can't.
inject?
Yeah.
That many people they are experienced and they are
Without
doing that.
degree,
They are
we
doctors. They
can't
did
open
that
our,
without degree.
medical and hospital.
He's talking about surgery.
Are you talking about surgery? That ancient people, they are not doing MBBS. They are also did surgery. What about that?
But no patient will rely on a doctor who is not having MBBS degree. No doctor will come to you if you have.
Sorry.
People
Could you
will
repeat,
say that
repeat from starting. Repeat from starting.
if you don't have this MBBS degree, no person will rely on you, and the person will say you that you are Jhora Jha doctor, whether you have lots of knowledge. If you don't have degree, you cannot be even trusted.
If they are experienced and treated well, and many patients are okay by them, and many patients are okay by them, then they have trust on them. They have trust on that doctor.
How can I know that you are most experienced person standing in front of
By
me?
treating them, they will be okay. By treating them, if they will be okay, they can.
Without degree, we cannot prescription medicine. How can you possible?
Who told that you can't prescribe?
No, without
many people don't have degree, and they also did.
Without degree, we cannot
They
prescribe
treated.
medicine.
They treated
Prescribe
doctor.
medicine. Any medical store.
Say at the ancient age they don't have degree, and they didn't have degree, and still they do surgery and used to do surgery or anything, like used to treat the patient. So what unqualified, they have knowledge about that. Many degree holder, they have knowledge, they prescribe that medicine.
Okay, listen.
And
Listen. No, listen.
many medical that running without any degree. Many medical running without any degree.
Simon, listen. Suppose you have gallbladder stone. And gallbladder stone in gallbladder.
Okay.
And you have two options. You want to go in Jhola Chhap doctor. You want to go in a qualified MBBS doctor who have knowledge about the urination.
Experienced doctor is there. That means not he is Jhola Chhap. Experienced doctor, not Jhola Chhap.
Listen. No, listen.
Experience matters a lot.
I am a knowledgeable person. I don't have experience. I am a knowledgeable person. I have
You are a knowledgeable person. That means you have experience.
how to gain experience.
If you have degree, you are not knowledgeable. There is no benefit of your degree.
Firstly, treated one patient. That time I get experience. Without treated any patient, where I get experience? Sir,
Are you talking about
are you
degree?
getting my point?
After degree, you do that treat. You treat
after
that
degree,
patient.
I have authority to treat patient.
Without
But
degree, many
I
people.
don't have authority to treat
Without
patient.
degree, many people treated their patient in village. Go and see. And they will be okay.
Sir, one point, sir. One thing I just want to say that, sir, every year 25 lakh students are giving NEET exam just to gain the MBBS degree. Why?
And many people buying that exam. Listen to me. Many people buying that exam. What is that?
Just give me
many
one
people
answer.
buy that NEET exam. Before that,
everybody can
air.
have
How many
experience.
air holder there? C65 air holder.
I'm not
And they are not.
saying-
Still,
Saima,
they are
I'm
not
saying
able.
that you are wrong. I'm saying you're right. Having
Okay.
knowledge is important. But why this MBBS degree? Why people are running after the MBBS degree? It is without MBBS degree, even you cannot stand here. Whether it's private job or government doctor, even people. How people can give our body to do operation when you are not.
If you are experienced doctor, people will trust them. If you are experienced, ancient people,
Whoever do get
ancient people,
experience.
they don't have degree, MBBS degree. They also did surgery. How?
Whoever you get experience.
Because they trusted their doctor. Because they trusted their doctors. That's why.
Okay, listen.
To justify and clarify that what about the NEET examination? There are so many people, 25 lakh people go for examination. Why do they go? Because of degree they are going, right?
Because of degree, and they are purchasing also that. They are purchasing also need. Before that, 65 plus people, they are.
No. You are talking only hypothetical things.
Why are you saying that?
After getting knowledge, we can purchase degree.
And why are you?
That means degree have more value
And it is not a veggie.
as compared
If
to
you are
knowledge.
having degree, you have no knowledge. What is the value of your degree? Say.
Ma'am.
First of all want proof na. How can I believe you? You can treat me. First of all, they want proof na.
I talk about ancient people. They experienced doctor and they treat their patient and they become okay.
It's just not.
See, Shaima really did well job. The way she spoke, somewhere you were right, somewhere she was right, but the way she spoke, it was like खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाले Exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, now a person from that team, and everybody has to ask question. Excuse me, who wants to come? Anurag, please come on stage.
Good evening to all of you.
Good evening. And be more excited, buddy. Come on.
Myself from Rag Yadav. I'm from Gazipur. First of all, I want to thank Mr. Cap sir to giving a wonderful opportunity to express my thoughts in front of all students and people. So according to me, degree is most important than knowledge, because degree give the knowledge.
Degree gives knowledge.
Gives knowledge, and if you are aiming for a career like law and engineering and research field, so degree is must. Okay, for these things. And like if I'm talking about immigration and study abroad, the main key role of degree in these things, like study abroad and visas, and next thing is corporate sector. Corporate sector, yes. It's many corporate companies need for degree holders.
Of course.
Okay. I saw many people have a lots of knowledge, but have not progressed further because of their
Exactly,
degrees.
yes.
So that is the importance of degree.
Of course, of
Any question?
course.
Only for
You will become a
only-
lallu lal because of knowledge.
Yes, only for ask question, only for logical, not a meaningless type of
Yes.
question. Okay. Yes, I know very well.
Logical question.
Very,
So he wants to say that you will get placement if you have to study abroad. You can get, approval of visa.
Yes, sir. And don't underestimate the power of a degree. Okay.
Of course.
Degree
And-
can give the platform. You can do everything. You can achieve everything. Okay.
And don't underestimate the power of personality. This is our response, right? Okay, anybody question, please. He wants to say that because of
Yes.
knowledge you will remain lallu lal, but because of degree you can. Anybody? Ashish, please.
Okay, degrees required for jobs
Corporate
in
sector, yes.
corporate sector.
Yes,
I know,
yes.
everyone knows.
Yes.
But why if you get a job, if you correct your interview,
Yes.
after that you go for your work, first day work. Or they said you firstly give 3 months, 2 months practice, experience, training. Why?
No. Okay, give the training, but give
Why?
okay.
Why?
But
Yeah.
on the but
Why gives training?
okay. But
Yeah.
on the basis of degree, na. Yeah, yes.
But okay, degree is good. I know.
What? Why knowledge? I have knowledge. Okay. Please listen me. I have knowledge on the basis of degree. Okay.
Anurag, you simply give answer, bro.
Yes.
Not argue, only logic. You know?
Okay. You.
Yeah.
Okay.
Firstly, you give answer.
I
I
say.
got entry into a company just because of degree, right?
But
What is primary?
But-
What is primary?
but Anurag
Bro,
has
okay.
degree, but he doesn't have knowledge.
Firstly, you listen. Degree. Yes.
If you have no knowledge, so how can you survive the company?
हाँ, I want to say, what do you want to become? क्या बनना चाहते हो?
Okay. I want to become an engineer,
Which subject?
civil engineer.
नहीं subject. You tell me subject. Tell about subject. Subject. Tell about subject. I want to tell कि which subject. जैसे for example जैसे कि for example I was preparing NEET
I
exam.
am an engineer, bro. I am a civil engineer. My also subject is engineer.
जैसे for example I was preparing NEET exam. That time subject chemistry, physics, knowledge, chemistry, physics और
I want to become engineer on the basis of physics, chemistry, math.
I want to say, Peli, listen to carefully.
Okay.
You should listen carefully my question. After that, you reply, bro. So, I want to say that after prayer, I was preparing NEET exam.
Yes.
That time I need. That time I was preparing. I get knowledge first for chemistry, physics, and biology.
Okay.
First for knowledge. After that. First for knowledge. So chemistry, physics, every person has knowledge. Or knowledge according I get no degree. But
you-
हाँ because of sir, because of हाँ सुन
What
listen to
clapping?
me.
Listen, अब listen. Now listen to me.
The first knowledge important.
You know, my sister, you know, NEET
हाँ, मेरे
examination requirement. What is requirement of NEET examination? 12th. That is the degree, na?
That time knowledge first for chemistry, physics, chemistry.
You know
Sir, that time
requirement of NEET
knowledge,
examination. Requirement of NEET examination.
First chemistry, physics, biology.
How knowledge
If I
gain?
have knowledge, sir, if I have knowledge, sir, I want to say I have knowledge, chemistry, physics, biology. That time I will correct na. Or that time I will correct. Get knowledge.
I said, na, you only for arguing with me. You
No,
have
no.
not knowledge. You only for support knowledge, but they had not.
You have knowledge. I want to say.
That's why I support.
So,
Firstly, you know about NEET.
sir,
Good evening, everyone. My name is Samar Chaudhary, and today we have topic which is more important: degree versus knowledge. So today I'm supporting degree is most important than knowledge. More important, because I believe that if I have degree, then I have two options. I can go private sector as well as government sector. But who people only support knowledge, they cannot go in government sector, because there is compulsion already government imposed. If you have that particular degree, that you can only apply for that job. So this is the best benefit of degree. And one thing more, doesn't matter how much knowledge do you have. If you don't have certificate of medical, you cannot even hospital medical and all things. You doesn't matter how much knowledge do you have, but you cannot open a medical and hospital without degree.
Government job is limited. No one can get a government job. It is a limited job.
I can open my own medical store. We don't need to.
That time you require knowledge, not a degree.
Guys.
How can you give the medicine to a patient?
Bro, it's a normal thing. While taking degree, we get automatically knowledge. Yes. No. Yes. Now you tell me first. There is a requirement of doctors and HR open vacancy. Only that person can apply for the job who has MBBS, certificate. Doesn't matter you have knowledge. You cannot apply for that job.
HR also include 3 years experience, 4 years experience.
First, you should have degree. After that, they see your experience.
I want to ask if a degree is that much important, then why our country, like a country is running a knowledgeable person, not by a degree holder person.
Ma'am, if only skill matters a lot, then how Sundar Pichai gone to America without degree?
No, sir. I am talking about government. I am not talking about Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai left India, so we are not talking. We are talking who are in India.
If you want to go...
Sir, I have asked why India is running without a degree holder.
Why India is running?
I didn't ask about the Sundar Pichai. I didn't ask about Elon Musk. Why there is no criteria? No, sir. Why are you giving hint?
That she want to say that about political leader. Many political leaders they don't have degree and still they are running this India. Wow.
Sir, I think, sir, for example, there is Prime Minister, but behind the Prime Minister, there is a IAS and IPS. They give instruction how you do or not do, and IAS and PCS become only based on the degree.
Listen.
Many political leaders they don't have degree. Still, you guys degree holder. You are guys degree holder running under them. Under that
what politician gives speech? The speech was written by IAS and IPS.
Talk about
Yes.
this PM. Talk about this. Why are you talking about? They are working under them. working under them. Talk about the PM, about the CM. They don't have degree. Many political leaders, they don't have degree. How they are able to
because
that degree is important to run anything. How?
Because
they have knowledge. Because of knowledge, they are running this India. Because of knowledge, they are running this India. Okay, say.
Because there is no compulsion in our constitution. If you want to become prime minister, you have degree. If constitution allow you have degree, then you can become a prime minister. Then first people have passed out that degree.
So why are you saying degree holder only they can able to do anything?
I want to ask. The same constitution say that you have degree so that
You have to have a degree so that you can go in that field. Just because of same constitution, we are bounded to have degree. We can do something with our knowledge, but because of same constitution, we are bounded to degree.
ये क्वेश्चन था?
Yeah.
ये तो पूरा ऐसे
You said that. No, you said that because of constitution, government can be without a degree. If constitution allows them, then our leader would be a degree holder. The same thing we can say that because of constitution, we knowledgeable person have to degree, have to have degree. If the same constitution say that if you are knowledgeable, you can enter that field. So we knowledgeable person can be more than you. We can easily get a job more than you.
Actually, a degree is an identity. It's so how much knowledgeable you have by that your percentage. If everybody say I want to become a doctor, I want to become doctor, then government cannot give everybody job. Then they will ask the certificate. On the basis of certificate, he decide who person is knowledgeable or not.
1 minute. There is a 60 student in a class. And only 1 to 3% get a job, and majority of them didn't get the job. Why? If everyone have a degree, everyone should have a job. Why?
Please repeat.
Only show that these students got a job. Why not all the students get a job? Just because they have a good CGPA, they have a good knowledge, that's why they are getting the job.
It's a particular reason. There is. Sir, let me complete first. Now, there is also knowledgeable person. They are sitting just Bella. They don't have any job. So you just not give only particular reason. They are degree holder and they don't have job.
Okay, who wants to come from this team? Please come on.
Hello guys, my name is Judaima. Today I am supporting knowledge because of knowledge is important. Knowledge are making degree. Degree are not making knowledge. Because of, for example, every person first, there are many people has lots of degree, but every person doesn't select government exam, private exam, private job. And I am saying, क्या कह रहे थे? हाँ, please wait 2 minutes. Sir, why are you laughing? हाँ, I want to say this is, sir, I want to say कि there are many motivation person present in this world, but you saw degree that person, yes, you saw knowledge, or you are, sir, there are in this world there are many motivation person present, motivational person present, but you see knowledge and you expired. You get expired. That's inspired and motivate. Can get motivated, that person, because of knowledge.
You talking about motivational speaker. Which motivational speaker have not degree?
I am not saying I want.
You said.
I have told. Yeah, I have told, but I say you will get that person knowledge. You will not. You expect. You will get expired.
Sir, please next, please.
Inspired. You inspired because of through of knowledge, not degree. I want to say like this.
Okay, what's your aim?
I'm not because I am not going to government job or private job.
Okay, what?
But I cannot tell my aim. Sorry, sir.
Housewife?
I don't want to become housewife.
Then what do you want to become?
Sir, it is.
Yes.
Sorry, I cannot tell you. This is my personal aim.
No, sir. She.
I think she will get expired.
Yes.
Sir, life is unstable. Life is unstable. Every person doesn't know. Life is unstable. Every person doesn't know who.
Sir, she escaped this point.
Anju,
Anju.
are you 10th pass or not? Are you 10th pass? You have degree of class 10th?
Yes, I have degree, but my degree are making knowledge through of knowledge, because of every person get different every person get different percent. Why every person get different percent? Some people get 75, some people 75, some people so.
Lack of class 10th degree, will you get education of class 11th in school?
First off, listen to me. I am saying कि knowledge is important. I am not saying कि degree is not important. I am saying कि knowledge is degree is no सुनो sir. Degree is important, but knowledge is more important. First of all, every person need knowledge. After that, every person can do everything. If I need, you are saying, तो first one मुझे I want if I
First of all,
है ना? First of all, if you saying कि I don't know knowledge my subject, that time तो I am unpassed. I will not pass.
My simply question is that my simply question is that
I want to say, you are saying कि है ना, you have passed. After that you are passed. है ना? After you are going to 11th class. And
what is your proof? How I know you are pass of class 10th?
हाँ, ऐसे I want to say, कहना चाहती हूँ मैं, है ना? I want to say, जैसे कि for example, I am 10th class and I am going to 11th class. Okay, that time. For example, I don't have knowledge my subject. That time I am going to 11th class. No, without knowledge, because of I don't knowledge my subject.
Going to class 11th, knowledge is not compulsory. Degree is compulsory.
Why?
No.
Sir, Anju. For example, I am again to I am fail 12 11th class. So I am going to I am again fail 10th class. So I can go 11th class without degree. That's why I don't get degree.
A very good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir, for making me the part of this debate. And as I'm the degree supporter, and I just want to say that whenever we are small, we are meant to go to school just to have if you consider 10th and 12th as a certificate, then we go to school and when we are the very earliest age, then when we are giving exam of 10th class, at that time we are very worried that it's going to matter a lot. The whole life is this sort of certificate will give our character. At that time, why we maintain, why we are always forced at the time that 10th class की marksheet खराब ना हो जाए? Why? Question is that.
Because it's important.
Does motivation gives you to eat? Why you are running after motivation? Why you cannot create motivation in yourself? Be motivated person. like you guys are coming here and you're saying that by motivation degree person doesn't have degree. Create yourself that people get inspired by you. People get motivated by you. Huh?
No, sir. Have you listened about Dr. Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? He put the doctor in front his name, but he don't have knowledge about about that degree. Yes, sir. He doesn't have.
He was PhD holder.
No,
He
sir.
was a PhD.
He got listen. He got certificate in university as a award. Listen, if you want to start your own business, which type of employee will you hire? Degree and non-degree. Which non-degree means like he have a knowledge.
Suppose I have opened a Well-Talk Institute,
Yeah.
and I will hire the person who is educated, the person is like having degree, a good marks in English, then only I will hire that person to teach here.
But I have degree.
Because I cannot.
Listen, ma'am.
Because I cannot rely. I can rely.
Listen, I have a degree, but I can't speak like if you want, like you want. Like there is criteria. If you listen 12th class, 54 marks passing, but 53.99% is fail. Can you explain the difference between 0.1%? How you can clarify he is knowledgeable and 54% is knowledgeable?
If he
0.1% can decide your career?
if he cannot attain the 0.5 marks, that if he is not knowledgeable,
How you can say?
he
Because
is not.
No.
If
You
he
can't.
cannot attain a 0.5%, then he is not knowledgeable person.
In comparison to, 54.
Sir, about listen, 54 or 99%. How you can clarify?
You have not answered my
Who is
question
more
firstly.
knowledgeable? Who is more knowledgeable?
I asked that why we always run towards a 10 plus mark sheet, that 10 plus as I was small, that I was my parents made me depressed that 10th mark sheet should not be spoiled. It's going to be whole life.
It is our compulsion.
See, because of
If I don't want,
Why it's
if I don't want
compulsion?
to study,
It is
My father has no degree and but still they are surviving.
one question everyone.
If you have lots of degree, you don't do anything, you don't do any job, you depress because of degree, what do you do?
Maybe I have lots of degree and I'm not doing any job. That is my fault. That I'm not doing anything. That I have degree and that means I'm not hard working. That's why I'm sitting idle. And it can be also a knowledgeable person can also have this. If you have lots of knowledge and you're not doing anything, that means anything is there.
But if you don't have knowledge, you don't do anything.
It is not the fault of everyone.
Yeah, recently at DU University, a girl shared a 22 certificate and a medal she got from her college, but she is not able to get a single job, and she uploaded in a LinkedIn that I have 22 medals and certificate, but I am not able to get a single job. Why?
It also depends at which field you want to go.
She is in a
So, can you please tell me the which field she wanted to go?
I didn't know the field, but I am talking about
Whatever
the
the
job.
field is, she has degrees.
She has 22 medals.
Degree is just a criteria to pass that, to sit on that exam. It's you that how you will pass that exam. It's dependent upon you.
But you are saying this just based on degree, people are getting job. I'm asking.
I'm not saying just base of degree the people are getting job. With the base of degree the people are able to sit for the job. Like for a government exam, if you are sitting for a government exam, if you want to clarify the IS exam, you need to have your whole pass certificate and whole degrees. Then only you are going to sit for the exam.
As far as I know, that 10 and 12 marks should only work for that birth date is same, name is same, and this same. There's no one asks what marks you got, what did you have studied. Just like your father name is same, your mother name is same. That only work here. Nothing matter. Nothing matter in 10, 12 mark sheet.
I didn't get what did you say.
I'm saying that.
Alright, Neha, thank you so much. We have very less time, please.
Thank you, sir, having me opportunity. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am here to discuss about knowledge and education. So, from my side, the knowledge is very important because without knowledge we can't get a degree.
2 plus 2 is 4, no? So
It's on you. 2 plus 2 is also 22.
22.
Yeah.
No. 2 to 22, not 2 plus 2. 22 is not.
Okay.
That is your education.
your
That is your fault.
Why
And you are talking about
don't tell 2 plus 2 22
2 plus 2 22.
because you have knowledge 2 plus 2 addition knowledge about mathematics na.
Addition. Tell me honestly, 2 plus 2 what number will come after 2 plus 2?
You tell me you don't know
That's why you choose education. That's why you choose knowledge. And tell me honestly, if suppose Asim is a cameraman, yeah, right?
right.
And he have only one ability to use only camera.
Okay.
He have knowledge of using camera.
Okay.
How to use camera.
Okay.
In future, if government banned the camera, what they will be choose?
There are so many options. If you have knowledge na, so there is so many options. You know about social media. Social media.
But he don't know. He have only one idea. He know how to use camera very well. Except camera, except using camera, he don't know
degree.
What?
Right? They work without degree.
They have no degree.
Think they have degree or not?
They don't have degree.
They work
Without degree, they are
They work
doing.
Why?
First of all,
And
you are not
came
clear.
here.
You also are confused. So okay.
No, I am not
So I
confused.
want to tell you, if I am a doctor, want to become an engineer. So nursery to class 12th, we are studying physics, chemistry, math, bio,
Right.
and we are getting. If I want to become a doctor,
Why-
we need
why are you study physics,
we
chemistry,
need
math,
to get
bio?
basic. We need
Why
to,
are you study?
Why? Because
What
I want to
take a
become.
knowledge
Because
na?
no, I want to get degree.
Take a knowledge.
Sir, without degree you cannot become a doctor.
I know without degree.
You know, na? You know without degree you cannot become doctor.
Without knowledge you get degree.
Yeah, I can purchase degree from outside.
Purchase degree.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I appreciate your thoughts.
What?
I appreciate your
I
thoughts.
can purchase degree. If I want to become engineer,
You purchase degree. Thank you.